हेलो गाइस, इट्स किजी। आज ये मेरा फर्स्ट व्लॉग है और मेरे फर्स्ट व्लॉग में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि हम लोग सुंदरबन घूमने आए हैं। तो सुंदरबन के जगह में क्या क्या देखने को है और हम जिस होटल पे रह रहे हैं वो कैसे है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस व्लॉग। और मैं छोटे छोटे क्लिप करके व्लॉग को बनाऊंगी। सो इसके बाद मैं मेरा फर्स्ट क्लिप बनाऊंगी। सो बाय बाय। तो गाइस, ये है हम लोग का एंट्री पार्ट। यहाँ से एंटर करना होता है। यहाँ पर और भी होटल्स बन रहे हैं और वो एक तालाब जैसा है। ये है जो यहाँ का फर्स्ट जो होटल है वो ये वाला है। हम लोग इसमें नहीं रह रहे हैं, हम लोग ये वाले कॉटेज पे रह रहे हैं। सो कॉटेज के अंदर मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी। ये रहा हम लोग का फर्स्ट क्लिप। अब मिलता है सेकंड क्लिप पे। This is the third clip of our video, and this is the main forest. It's very blurred, so you can see. And this is the forest. Here we can see. Let's have a closer look. Please pardon me for the background noises. So let's end this clip and let's meet in the next clip. We are now on Watchtower and see the look from here. There is a wild pig and two wild cocks. Can you see? Yes, they can see. And this is the remaining part of the forest. So let's end this clip. Guys, these are the mangrove trees. You can see. हम लोग बहुत पास आ गए हैं फॉरेस्ट के। Now we are zooming. हमारा लॉन्च। See the root of this tree. It looks similarly like the hooks. There is a whoosh noise. I don't know what's that. This is another side of Sundarban. These are our mates singing. This is the back of our lunch. Hey guys, it's Sundarban Tiger Reserve. So let's enter from here. This is my mother, that you all know. It's too hot. This is a cactus plant. And this is mainly the entrance of the forest from a overbridge. So let's skip this part. I will show you the main part of this forest. Let's come. Guys, you can see here a deer. Have you seen it? They are very sweet.
হ্যাঁ রাখি হ্যাঁ আবার ভিডিও করে খেয়েছে 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 ঘুমা পটি করে
এ বাচ্চা তো
Hope you all have seen this. Let's continue with another clip. Bye. Guys, this is a baby crocodile. I'm zooming this, then you can see. This is far apart from us, but then also we are doing zoom and we can. This place is called Mohuna. यहाँ पर 5 नदियाँ एक साथ आके मैशअप होती है, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं मोहना. प्लेस इज ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ पर वो there is another launch. It's actually the beach. The beach of Bay of Bengal. There is a huge flow of water and wind also. It feels very chill. Hello guys, this is the next clip and you can see here this is a tiger roaming around. He's just roaming. He's doing afternoon work after his lunch. I think so. You can see he's working. This is a royal signature for us who came Sundarban at this time. Bye bye. Let's meet on next clip. Hey guys, now we are returning home. We are at the same place. So let's meet in our next clip on tomorrow. Bye bye. Hey guys, this is the main market of Sundarban and you can see here several things. This is the vegetable shop. There we can get anything. This is the shop of a bag and there we can get toys for children. And there is some special things of Sundarban. Welcome to another clip. In this clip I am showing you where we are taking food, eating dinner, and this is the room. This is the place. They are serving foods. These are our two partners. So bye bye. Let's see again in next vlog. Guys, this is the background garden of our cottage. There are some flowers. They used to do farm here. And that's a pond. I'm zooming. There are the cottage. So bye bye. we are in a new place that you can see here the board. Let's enter from here. There are our mates coming. Let's took the video from the main part. See here. There are some ducks. Guys, see, that's a duck. These are some rural villages. You can see. And this is a temple of Bonobibi Didi. This is the enclosure look. This is a pond, very old pond. This water have a huge amount of iron, so that's why it look like it. This is a farm. This is a farm of cabbage and cauliflower. Here you can see some tomato plants are also there. These are some goats. They are eating rice. Guys, it's the last clip of our this trip. We are going back, and you can see from here how's the look. So bye, this is my first vlog. Hope you all like it. If you like this video, then don't forget to do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.